Okay, so welcome to Sentence Smart. This is our box and our kit. Going to open it up here. Okay, and inside of it you will see a spinner when you take it out. This will help the students to choose the colors that they'd like to spin to. Okay, all right, to help them become totally familiar with making sentences and using what they know. So our goal is to help our students to become completely familiar with the parts of speech so that they can use them as grammatical tools to decode complex sentences for reading comprehension and also to construct effective sentences in their writing. So now the parts of speech are going to be in the box. So here we have pronouns, okay? We have adjectives, and in the back of each card set, you'll find a description. Let me turn this way. A description of each card. A little glare there, but you see the pronouns are substitutes for nouns. So definition, you have adjectives, okay? And adjectives will say, adjectives describe nouns. Adjectives are the answers to what kind, which one, how many nouns. So then we have some blank cards mixed in with our articles. And these cards are rewritables, so you can create your own parts, your own nouns and pronouns or whatever else you need. Then we have noun cards. Okay, nouns are naming words, and so we have a nice definition of nouns there. You've got your prepositions, okay, and what they do. And then you have your orange conjunctions. Okay, your orange conjunction cards. All right. Then you have your adverbs, okay, your adverb cards. All right. And finally, we have our verb cards, the famous verb cards, okay? All right. So there we have it, parts of speech. And then together with this, coming out of your kit, you will have your Sentence Smart chart where you can ask and answer questions, such as, where's the verb? Who or what verb? Verb who or what? Verb where, verb when, verb why, verb how, what kind, which one, how many. These are going to be the questions that you'll ask to analyze complex sentences and to analyze simple sentences and to expand them. So these are going to be the question groups. Notice that everything is color-coded. Yellow questions for your yellow verb cards over here, okay? And you have green, which will match with your nouns and also your pronouns, and you have blue, which will match with your adverbs, okay? So that's how we're going to begin and analyze it. So let's have some fun. We're going to put this back in our box, and the first step is going to be to totally familiarize yourself by making sentences with each of these cards. You can spin, for example. I'll spin to prepositions, and what I'll do is I'll take my preposition card out, and I'm going to, here's my card, during, and I'm going to turn over, and I'm going to write my sentence. First I'll make it, then I'll write it. During the night, the phone kept ringing, or the phone kept ringing during the night. So I'll write that down, and then I'll underline the word during in my sentence with a highlighter. Really, I like colored pencils with purple, okay? So highlight the word purple and label it as a preposition. And keep doing that. Keep spinning, keep spinning. Once you spin, you pull your card out. Conjunctions, I'll take a quick look at that. And here's a conjunction, even though. And I can say, even though I was hungry, I did not eat. I would write that sentence down, keep my little sentence diary, and then I would underline the words even though and in orange with my pencil and label them as a conjunction. So that's what you'll do. Keep spinning, keep going through, becoming familiar with using each part of speech in this box. You can even do double combinations. You can do two. I can do a verb and a spin again, and then I'll do a conjunction. So I'll take a verb out of my box, take a conjunction card out, and try to make them into one sentence, okay? So have some fun as you become sentence smart.